we've been sort of submerged into this first photograph that everyone has now seen, which you said was not all that surprising.
It wasn't surprising because a decade ago, we wrote a paper with my postdoctoral fellow, Avery Broderick, in which we predicted how the image would look like. That was the first paper that drew attention to M87, this giant galaxy that is much bigger than the Milky Way galaxy, at a distance that is 2,000 times farther than the distance to the center of our galaxy. But because it has a black hole that is 6.5 billion times the mass of the Sun, that is about 1,600 times more massive than the black hole in the Milky Way galaxy, it's so big on the sky that we can actually resolve its shadow. So we wrote this paper where we made predictions about
More easily than we can the black hole in our own galaxy.
Yeah, both of them occupy roughly the same angle on the sky, which is tiny, by the way. We're basically using, we correlate the data that is obtained from stations across the globe. And from that, we basically use the entire Earth as an aperture and can resolve the tiny size of the shadow of the black hole. So about 15 years ago, we wrote a series of theoretical papers with my postdoc predicting how the image would look like. And by the way, it was quite rewarding to see it on the cover of the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal.
Everything, all over the world.
All over the world, something that was just theoretical a decade ago, appearing for real.